So no less a person than West Indies batting legend Brian Lara in seeking to address the crisis in West Indies cricket. Lara says we have to improve our performances and play better and more consistent cricket. King Charles, you have to tell me more than that, brother. Even my little puppy, we are run up and down in my yard, knows that better and more consistent performances are needed by the West Indies team. Yes, you are not hired as a batting mentor to simply say we need to perform better. King Charles, you need to examine and explain how we're going to address the young players in the region who don't want to play for the West Indies anymore. So many potential West Indies players who are opting to make bigger money playing T20 cricket. How are we going to start that trend and get more youngsters across the region playing the game of cricket? And how are we going to get those playing now to play the game with more pride and passion? Whenever we solve those problems, King Charles, performances and consistency will improve, and West Indies cricket will once again be on the move.